very good morning to Miss Chan Wai-Yi and my fellow friends. Today, I will be talking about how marijuana should be legal for medical use nationwide. Marijuana is the most widely used illegal substance today. There are many benefits and drawbacks to how and what marijuana is used for. Marijuana is a sort of plant that helps people with AIDS or anorexia from nausea and appetite loss. Its seeds is second only to the soybean in nutritious value. According to the nutritionist, and is a source of cooking oil and vitamins. It is the plant that has given much of our paper and clothes for hundreds of years and generates 4 times more fiber per acre than trees, according to the paper and textile company. According to the environmentalists, it is the plant that has the potential to considerably decrease deforestation, return nutrients taken by other crops, and aid in erosion prevention. According to preliminary data, the medicine may be effective against glaucoma and asthma, as well as nausea associated with cancer treatment. I am a firm believer in the legalization of marijuana in the United States, primarily for therapeutic grounds. Marijuana is solely utilized for recreational purposes in technical terms, or for the typical American. I believe marijuana is a plant that, if legalized, might save countless lives. My mission is to dispel misconceptions, dispel ignorance, and educate people about the known and potential therapeutic use of this magnificent plant. Marijuana is one of the few narcotics that is still outlawed, despite its low toxicity. Many drugs, such as pain relievers, heroin, and cocaine, are extremely harmful to one's health and possibly life. Marijuana should not be grouped in with these substances. It belongs in the same group as alcohol, cigarettes, and even sugar. It is also obvious that alcohol and tobacco are far more hazardous than marijuana. Sugar is perhaps more detrimental to one's health than marijuana in many ways. Marijuana is a more safer and more difficult to overdose drug than alcohol. Another compelling reason to legalize marijuana is the amount of money it might save and possibly generate for our country. Marijuana has a significant financial impact on our legal system. It might be taxed and used for government funding if the policy was modified and legalized. It's been investigated, and several studies demonstrate that weed can generate a lot of money. Legal marijuana can not only help people generate money, but it can also improve the court system tremendously. Every year, around 750,000 people are arrested for marijuana. When you consider how dangerous marijuana is, this number is absurd. 750,000 persons are arrested for reasons that have nothing to do with causing harm to others. Furthermore, not only must law enforcement arrest these individuals, but they also pay for each case. Another way it could assist the justice system is by increasing the number of jail beds available. Marijuana users occupy far too much prison space that could be used for far more dangerous criminals overall. Legalizing marijuana would be extremely beneficial to the justice system, and the policy should be modified quickly. Last but not least, does the government ever ask itself, has anyone ever died as a result of marijuana use? That is a question they must not ask themselves, since answer will be negative. Marijuana isn't mentioned in the section on illness prevention and control. This is due to the fact that marijuana has no link to death. It has also been proven to have no link to cancer or any other drug dangerous disorders. Marijuana isn't even linked to the development of lung cancer. Many people believe it is linked to cancer, particularly throat cancer. Although this is not the case, the fact that marijuana does not cause death and does not introduce other dangerous diseases only adds to the case for its legalization. If the government does not believe the substance to be a disease risk, the policy should be modified. However, the government is so concerned about alcohol abuse that it spends the majority of its time worrying about it. Why not just make marijuana legal if it isn't a huge worry for the government? Why shouldn't it be lawful if it isn't harmful enough to warrant a category? The policy is clearly ineffective and has yet to be altered. This will allow researchers to learn more about marijuana, about how marijuana can be used to treat diseases that have yet to be discovered, such as COVID-19. Marijuana also can be used to help individuals with mental illness relax, and it has the potential to do much more. When marijuana is gradually legalized, the entire country will see how beneficial medical marijuana may be. And that's all from me. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.